All right, hi everybody. This is a quick video tutorial on how to start, like step one for your balloon project for making a pattern. All right, so what you're gonna need is a big piece of paper, like a 6-foot piece of paper. I can send some home for you if you need, but you also can just use wrapping paper. If you want to use wrapping paper, that's fine. I've actually done this with wrapping paper before. Once you have that big piece of paper, notice I'm just gonna have to lean into my computer here. I'm just gonna fold this in half. So you can see what I'm doing better. So I'm just gonna fold this in half. You're stuck in your room, you know, this is something to do, I guess. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is just fold it. Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect in terms of like the outside edges or anything like that. What I'm gonna do is on the side that's folded, I'm gonna use my pattern and I'll put a picture of the pattern up in the Google Classroom so that you can see the dimensions, okay? You're gonna need a ruler and a center pencil. So on the ruler, I'm going to make a 0 mark at the bottom of my paper. Let me re-angle this, sorry. Okay. So I'm going to make a 0 mark, just like it says on the pattern here to do a 0. And then every 6 inches, I'm just going to make another little tick mark. And it says to do this on the pattern. So you're going to do one at 6 inches, you're going to do one at 12 inches, you're going to do one at 18 inches. And you're going to do that all the way up to 60 inches, just like it says on the pattern. All right. Once you have them done, turn your ruler. It doesn't have to be a meter stick. You can just use a regular ruler. Turn your ruler and try as much as possible to keep it level and not kind of angle it up like this. And then if you look on the pattern, you're going to use the inside dimensions. All right. Don't use the outside ones. That's going to make a huge balloon. And we just really don't have enough tissue paper and everything like that for that. So you're going to make a little mark at 3.5 inches. And then you're going to move up to the 6 centimeter mark or 6 inch mark. And then you're going to make another mark of 3.5 inches. And when you get up to the 18 meter mark, you're going to, sorry, that was 0, 12. When you get to the 12 meter or 12, I'm sorry, I'm talking meters, I'm talking inches. When you get to the 12 inch mark, you're going to make a 5 inch line out. So this is my 12 inch. You're going to make a little mark at 5 inches. Then when you get to 18, you're going to go 6.5. I think you're getting the point here. Since you're all so smart, I'm going to do my 6.5 meter mark. All right, so you're going to do that and just follow the pattern all the way up to the top. All right. When you get to the top of the 60 inch mark, you can just draw a straight line out to the 1.5 inch mark. Okay. Once you have all those little lines and all those little dots, what you're going to do is just take your pencil and kind of smoothly connect them, right? After you have them smoothly connected, you're just going to take your scissors and cut the pattern out. So when you're done, this is a small version. But when you're done, the pattern is going to look something like this. Okay? This is, like I said, this is a small, like a mini version. But this is about what your pattern is going to look like, and it's going to be about 6 inches or 60 inches long. Okay. So that's all I'm going to do for right now. And what I'll do is I will put another video up explaining where to go from here once we get to the next step. But if you could get your pattern done, that would be great. And like I said, you can use wrapping paper. And if you don't have wrapping paper or a big piece of paper, let me know because I can always scroll one up and send one home for you. All right, that's it for now. I will do another video tomorrow.